How this is how we Jai from Communication. In this video I'm going to show you how you can reset your Samsung Galaxy Active 2 watch. Could be Samsung Galaxy Active 1 or any other watch, could be in the same function. Now the question, why you have to reset your watch? If you want to connect your watch to a new device, to new phone, could be iPhone, could be other Samsung phone or LG phone, you can follow this tutorial. You have to go to your watch, you have to go to setting, you have to find, here we go, watch faces, application, let's go more down, advanced setting, connection, general, accessibility, security, location, account, battery, about connection to a new phone, here we go. That means you disconnect from this phone, you want to connect to a new phone, you have to hit this one in this case, and as you see, connect to a new phone, back up your data, continue, hit that. That means it will restart and you say it's resetting the device for a new phone. Let's wait to see what is happening. So you see now, restarting, almost done, Samsung Galaxy Watch Active 2. We have to wait a little bit more on this case. Samsung Watch Active 2 one more time. And Samsung logo one more time. We have to wait a little bit more. It took me 5 to 6 minutes. And you see vamos in Spanish, that means start or let's go. So you have to connect with your new phone what you want to connect. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. As always, for more information, go to Communication, www.communication.com. Have a lovely evening. Take care till then. Bye bye.